Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q today. I got a special one for y'all, man. I got my eyes on something I'm looking at. Y'all can't see it, but this joint is gorgeous, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all and then introduce y'all to the owner. Let him talk about his truck, what he got doing to it. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Y'all wanna meet the owner first? Show the truck first. I'm gonna show you the truck. Bam. Chevy Z71, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the owner real quick, man. Say what's up, my saying?
What's up, man? This is your boy Uriel from TrailBoss Tribe, coming to you live from Dallas, Texas, man. Hey, man, the truck looks better than me. I'm pretty sure y'all wanna look at the truck, man.
Yeah, they wanna know about the truck. They don't really care about us, y'all. I know y'all don't care about us, man. Y'all care about the truck, man. So anyway, I really thought my guy Yuri, man, he hit me up. I ain't know you was this close, bro, honestly. So we just linked up real quick, man. So go ahead, bro. Tell them about your truck, what you live kit, size, wheel setup, what you got done to it, plans for it. We'll start, so go ahead and start with the lift kit.
Man. Well, I got a McGaughy's 7 to 9 inch. Okay. It's set at 9. Okay. The reason why is because I have some 37s on there. Okay. So
37 tires.
37-inch tires by Venom Power.
Okay. Yep. I'll see there.
With some 22 by 12s Hostile.
Hostile 22 by 12. How you like them? They look good, man. They look good, like a real sport. They got like a sporty look to them, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they look really, really good, man. So you say you on a 9, you got it. So McGaughy's 7 to 9, and you got it set at 9, right?
Set at 9, yes, sir.
I'm gonna show y'all the different guys. So I'm on a 6, so y'all can see, and he on a 9. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it definitely shows up in person. Like, this thing sit tall, bro. It's really, really tall, man. And it look like you got, did you get the upper control arms powder coated too?
They are powder coated, and they're Baja kits.
Baja kits, okay.
Baja kits. I'm not sure how familiar you're with them, but okay, you know, they're out there, man. Yeah. I love them so far, no issues. Okay. Loving them. I also powder coated the McGaughy's cross member.
Oh, did you? Oh, yeah, that's hard body, boy. Ooh. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. McGaughy's probably had the best cross member, I think, in the game, boy. Man. They really do. It looks good. So like the silver rivets on there, that's just how it is. Like the silver rivets.
Yeah, that's from factory.
That's from factory. Yeah. They got the best cross member for sure, man. So how many rock lights you run now? I see you got some rock lights.
I got a set of 8 of them, so basically 2 on each wheel. Okay. You know, the basic, I can, you know, change the color with the phone. Okay. But I like this kind of tone of blue. Yeah, it matches the truck, guys. Matches the truck, yeah.
So guys, your truck probably to y'all look black on camera, so you can see. Yeah. But it's actually blue, so like a midnight, it's a beautiful color. I love this color, man.
You know, when people ask me what color is the truck, I tell them, well, it ain't black, but it ain't blue.
Yeah. Black and blue, you my boy, blue.
You can only see it's blue when the sun is hitting it, man.
Yeah. It definitely could be mistaken for a black truck, man. You know what else I like? So did this come factory like this, the black front end?
It does come, the grill is black from factory because it's a TrailBoss. Okay. But I got the wind deflector by ABS.
Oh, I see here. Okay.
So it gives it like a completely black front end. Yeah. It's not gonna stay like this for long because I'm getting
don't tell him too much. Don't tell him too much.
I'm getting a bumper.
Oh, you getting a bumper?
That's all I'm saying, man.
So
y'all gotta stay tuned.
Y'all gotta stay tuned.
TrailBoss Tribe, man. TrailBoss Tribe on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm definitely post that. Y'all go check him out on Instagram, man. Stay tuned with his build coming. But I can tell you, y'all, this thing is sick, bro. Super sick. So you running 22 by 12s?
Yes,
sir. So negative 44 offset?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man.
44.
This thing is clean,
planning on doing some 2-inch spacers after the bumper.
Yeah, bro. I actually was thinking about that. I want to just test it out to see what spacers look like, just to see.
Same, bro.
Yeah, just to see. You know, I actually like the 12 wide. It's not too much, because bro, I hear when you get with those like those 14 wides, man, like you can't go through drive-throughs and stuff out here, bro. Like, because they so wide, you know.
Really?
Yeah. You ain't heard that?
I ain't heard.
Yeah, man, because like you can't go to Chick-fil-A, bro, or McDonald's. You have to get out and walk, bro. So guys, he is running. What's that? That 6.2 liter, man. So he got
it's that big tough guy, man. I had to go with the 6.2.
He had to go with the 6.2, man. So I want to show y'all. I only reason I brought that up because y'all see right here, TrailBoss. But he do got the, man, you got what? Quad exhaust.
Quad exhaust.
Quad exhaust. That's factory?
No, that's not factory. It came with the chrome tip. Okay. But I had to delete all the chrome all the way around.
Okay. So you did. So some of this stuff was chrome.
Yeah, it had the Silverado, you know, badging. The C71 was chrome as well, but I blacked it out. Okay. But I got a muffler delete.
So you got a V8 muffler. We got to hear it start up here in a second. How that thing sound, man. So you got the drop hitch on here, man.
Drop hitch, yes sir.
Yeah. Then you got the aftermarket tail lights.
Aftermarket tail lights by Spider Auto.
Spider Auto. We gotta see these things light up, man. They light up?
Yeah. For sure.
Oh yeah. Ooh, y'all hear the V8. I heard you, baby. Blah, 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 blah. And then you see the tail lights, man. Hey, these are dope, bro. I'm gonna back up so y'all can see with the full truck. These are dope, man.
At the interior, I got a surprise for y'all, man.
Go ahead, show them. Don't do it to him. Gosh, man. So these are cat skins, right?
Cat skin, diamond stitch, cobalt blue.
Man, bro. You did it right, the interior, bro. This just bring the whole truck together, bro. Like, this bring the whole truck together, bro. Look at this, guy. I kind of wish I would have went something a little more exclusive on mine now, man. And he got the mask. He's following COVID rules, guys. Also, I noticed on the door, man, got some wood grain right here, too. That's dope, bro. This is dope, man. Y'all want it, go ahead. Y'all follow, man. TrailBoss Tribe on Instagram. You got the bullet running?
Yes,
bullet
sir, we matching.
Yeah, we got the same intent on this joint, man. Beautiful truck, guys. God, this thing is clean. I like, if you're gonna, I'm gonna say this. I was telling somebody else this. If you're gonna run 14 wides, I think it looks best on the 7 to 9, the 9-inch lift kits. It just fits it better, bro. Like, I just think it does. When you put it on the 6, it looks good, but it just looks like very like low and wide, like,
yeah, like, you know, bulldog.
Yeah, know? Bulldog look. Like I mean, which I ain't finna no bulldog look. I know some of y'all got the bulldog look. That's cool, but for my personal preference, I think the 9-inch lift with the 14 wide looks the best, bro. Come right here, guys. You said this is a aftermarket bumper piece right here.
Aftermarket bumper guard by Air Design. And
so the light came aftermarket with it.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah.
I actually like this, man. Yo, look at these headlights. Guys, I'm telling y'all, I drive a Ford. I'm being real with y'all. The Chevy front end, bro, is probably the best looking one on the market. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. Factory, LED lights too, running lights?
LEDs, yeah.
Yeah, LEDs, man. Oh yeah, this thing is nasty, guys, nasty, bro. What's your future plans for the truck? What else you planning to do?
You know, the first day I lifted my truck, my mom was like, how am I gonna get it? You know, so I got the amp resource steps on the way, okay. And I got the 3 additional inches lower. You know, they're specially made for the lifted trucks.
Really?
Yes,
so
sir.
they come down. So he said basically what he's saying, lower. You know, your stock ones will come out right here. So he's saying they're gonna drop
three more inches. 3
more inches lower. So okay, yes, that's gonna look pretty. That's gonna be. So his mom can get in and out.
My mom will be able to get in easier.
He looking out. Hey, mom, he looking out for you, mom. He looking out for you. Can you give a rev? See what it sound like? Rev it up real quick?
For sure, man.
Yeah, let's see a rev. Hear this thing sound. All right, guys, we'll see this thing sound like. Okay. Yeah, hey. I ain't gonna lie, so the only thing I hate about having a damn EcoBoost is that right there, bro, that noise, man. Anyway, guys, man, we linked up your boy Yuri real quick. Y'all definitely go check him out, hit him up, follow him on Instagram, man. Go ahead, tell him one more time Instagram.
Instagram, TrailBoss Tribe, man. Show some love.
Yeah, and he actually, you say you kind of doing a meet Saturday, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I am doing my first official meet this Saturday. Okay. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I hope I get a lot of people out there, man. I'm
gonna tell you something. Actually, this video gonna come out after your meet. But are you gonna try to make it like a running thing though? Like you gonna try to keep it going?
Yeah, for sure, man. Okay. You know, as the Instagram builds up, I'm hoping to get more people from Dallas so I can get more content for you guys, man.
Yeah. So y'all definitely follow them because I'm gonna hit one of these meets. I'm gonna come check you out. I don't know if I'm making Saturday. I might try to stop through on the way. I got somewhere to be.
Yeah.
But it's on the way downtown. So I might try to stop through, guys. But y'all definitely follow them so y'all know the details on the meet if you're gonna try to keep doing them on a weekly or monthly basis, whatever the case may be, man. But anyway, bro, that's all I got. Thank y'all for tuning in. Your boy Yuri one more time. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. Man, sure. All right. Hey, guys, we'll catch y'all next one. Peace.